Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blend. I am Gio George. So today I am going to share with you guys one of my favorite appetizer. It's called Tandoori chicken meatball. It is so easy to make it. I already made this for Thanksgiving, so everybody loved it. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys how to make Tandoori chicken meatball. So I'll be using air fryer. You could use pan fry or deep fry, it doesn't matter. I'm just going like a healthy version of making Tandoori chicken meatball. Also I am using same recipe to make like a really good sandwich. So stay tuned. So these are the ingredients we need to make our meatball. So I'll be using 1 pound ground chicken. You could use beef also if you want. I'm using like a small piece of red onions. You need to slice this one into like really small pieces. Also I am using a small piece red pepper. You could use any different color, it doesn't matter, because I just want to show you the size that what I'm using it. This is like a really small pepper, so I took a half of it. If you are using like a really big one, just use the quarter piece. You need a 1 tablespoon crushed chili pepper. If you are making this for the kids, don't add this one too much because it's going to be really hot. 1.5 teaspoon salt. Salt always add for your taste. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1 tablespoon tandoori masala. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoon plain yogurt. Make sure you use the plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Half lemon squeezed, and cilantro. So I already sliced our red onion. We already chopped our red pepper. Now we need to mix all together. The red chili flakes I'm adding just a little bit because I'm making this for the kids. If you want to make it like a really spicy, you can add the whole thing in it. This is really good for if you're serving alcohol on your appetizer. This will be really tasty. Now we need to mix all together. I'm using hand. You can use a spoon or anything like that, whatever you like. Mix it really good. Alright everyone, so this is the way it's supposed to be. Like now we need to keep this one in the fridge at least 2 hours. So if you want to keep it overnight, overnight is always tastes better. Alright, let's go make our meatball. Now we need to make like a small ball. It should be something like this. Now we need to put this one in the air fryer. Alright everyone, so now we're gonna put that in the air fryer. I'm gonna be putting like 350 degree on air fryer mode, 15 minutes. So the air fryer I'm using is a cuisinart. I recently bought it. I really love this product because you can use as a toaster oven, air fryer, and baking system. Everything is included in one unit. So I love this product. If you guys wanna buy it, you could buy it from Target, Walmart, or Amazon. It's really good. I love it. It's 15 minutes now. Time to flip it. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna flip it. You guys can see the other side is not even cooked properly, so just flip it and just do like maybe 5 more minutes on the other side, then it's ready to go. Put it back in the air fryer. We're gonna do for 5 more minutes. By the time our meatball is getting ready, we need to make like a small sauce. For that, I'm using 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Thousand Island sauce, 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce. Now we need to mix all together. So you need to mix it really good. There you go, guys. It should be something like this. Alright, once our meatball is ready, let's open it. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, so let's try it. Came out really good. You should try it yourself and see how tasty it is. Make sure you eat with the sauce. The sauces give you like a really good flavor, and it's kind of a little bit sweet, so it's really good. So good, guys, and it doesn't take that long to make it. It's so easy. So we're gonna make a sandwich also with the same meat, put that in an air fryer. So we're gonna do the same thing, 350 degree air fryer mode, 15 minutes. Close it, 5 more minutes. All right, this is ready. So I'm gonna put a tomato on top of it. I season tomato with the salt. Also I'm gonna put a slice of cheese. I'll put our burger bun, and now I'm gonna put it back in the air fryer. I'm gonna do same settings, 2 to 3 minutes until our cheese get melted. Our cheese got melted. The same sauce, I'm gonna put some sauce.
It's so yummy sandwich. So good. Really good, guys. You have to try this at home.
So you like it?
I love it.
You love it?
Mm-hmm.
There you go, guys. It's really healthy sandwich right here. Oh my god, it's so good. Also, I want to mention, when you buy a tandoori masala mix, make sure you buy the tandoori masala mix, not the instant mix. The instant mix comes with the salt, so it's going to be really salty. So make sure you buy the tandoori masala mix, not the instant mix. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also share with your friends and family. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If I didn't see you before Christmas, I just want to wish you everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.